Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Miscellaneous Exercises Part 1. These are revision exercises and they're taken from a lot of the different topics we've done. Here's the first slide, and you can pause it for as long as you like. And as before, just write the answers on a sheet of paper, and all the answers are at the end. We'll see those shortly. So I'll just turn over to the next slide in about 10 seconds, but you can pause this for as long as you want while you work out all the answers. This is the second slide, and I'll leave it on for about 10 to 15 seconds. You can pause it for as long as you like, as always. And this is the last slide. Remember, you are in full control. You can pause any slide for as long as you want while you write your answers on a sheet of paper. I'll turn over in 10 seconds and then we can have a look at the answers. This is the first answer sheet. Pause it for as long as you want and just check the answers that you wrote down. This is the second answer sheet. I'll leave it on for about 10 seconds. And this is the last answer sheet.